Hello AP Stats students, just wanted to give you a quick update on what to expect over the coming weeks. As you know, yesterday you got your distance learning assignments. Your main assignments are going to be within Khan Academy and Stats Medic, but you also may have some assignments in AP Classroom, so please check there. I will also let you know via Remind if anything is posted to AP Classroom. Remember, you can communicate with me through Remind most easily. Also, you can communicate with me through email, and you could click here if you need help getting to Remind. If you need this document, you could go to my website, just click under AP Statistics, Distance Learning, click here. It's also available in some other places. It's on my Westside website. If you're thinking about Khan Academy, what are you going to be doing in there? I've assigned you most of the chi-square test for categorical data, assignments, quizzes, and the unit test, as well as I assigned you the more on regression because we have yet to cover inference for slope, so I assigned you some assignments in there. A lot of that's going to be review from our regression unit earlier in the year, but also you need to understand the t-test for slope. So Khan Academy will help you there. Also, make sure you have access to our Stats Medic assignments. You can just click on the digital learning document. You click here, it'll take you directly to the learning path. I could see where some of you are at currently right now. Some of you are in the introduction stage, some of you at the diagnostic test, and I've got some folks down at Unit 2. Remember, you're supposed to have all of this from introduction through Unit 3 done when you return. It will not take you that long. The videos are very short, and the multiple choice exercises and free response exercises at the end of each unit are pretty quick for you to work through. So please make sure you're working on our 2020 Stats Medic AP Statistics Exam Review course. Also, I'm going to send this out to you and remind Stats Medic is actually uploading some videos to help you guys out in addition to the review course. If you just go to statsmedic.com, go to resources and videos, Luke and Lindsay have already posted a video for chi-square test. You can look at the document that's in the video, the table C, and then they've got a video already uploaded there. I'll go ahead and click play. But you can see this video. I'll just kind of skip through here. But she works, I think this is Lindsay, she works directly through the assignment. So you could print it out and work alongside. And if you have any questions, send me a message through Remind or through email. So kind of to summarize what you're working on right now, you're working in Khan Academy, you're working on our Stats Medic AP Stats Review course. Make sure you work through Unit 3. If you need any help, you can go to Stats Medic. Videos are being posted there. And also you have your Barron's book. That Barron's book is going to be a great resource for you to self-teach as well as to prepare for your AP exam. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, you can communicate with me through Remind or through email, and I will be updating you more as we go through this time in distance learning. Talk to you later.